Let me save you years of stress right now. Most entrepreneurs, especially solopreneurs, are drowning. Too many tasks, too many platforms, too many responsibilities, and not enough hours in the day to keep everything running smoothly. Meanwhile, ChatGPT is sitting right there, capable of doing 60 to 70% of your workload if you know how to talk to it. But that's the part nobody teaches. People open ChatGPT, type a sentence, get a mediocre answer, and then say, "It doesn't work." It works. You just don't know the language yet. Today, I'm giving you the 5 exact prompts that run my business: content, emails, client systems, marketing, even decision making. And stay with me, because prompt number 5 isn't just a time saver. It's the closest thing to an AI employee I've ever seen. This is the same system I use to produce episode after episode, build this channel, manage projects, brainstorm products, and keep everything organized as a one-person team. Let's begin. This is Trapper's Avatar, powered by Grown Man Productions, and you have to reach millions. If you're a solopreneur, a creator, or someone trying to build something big with a team of one, this episode is going to change your workflow forever. Because ChatGPT isn't here to replace you, it's here to free you. Most people are overwhelmed not because they're incapable, but because they're doing the jobs of 5 people while only being paid for 1. And the truth is, your brain was never meant to juggle tasks, strategy, creative direction, customer service, and operations all at the same time. But AI can. So let's begin with the prompt that almost no one uses, but everyone should. Prompt number 1, the Business Clarity Engine, your AI Chief Strategy Officer. When your business feels chaotic, unclear, or overwhelming, it's almost always because your systems aren't defined. This prompt fixes that instantly. The prompt: you are now my Chief Strategy Officer. Your job is to analyze my business, identify weaknesses, clarify my audience, define my offer, and outline the top 3 systems I need to run more efficiently. Ask me any questions you need before giving your recommendations. This single prompt forces ChatGPT to think like someone sitting in your office, looking at your business from the inside out. It helps you answer: what's broken? What's missing? What's wasting time? What should I fix first? What's my next move? Most entrepreneurs never step back to assess the battlefield. They're too busy fighting in it. But this prompt hands you the map. It tells you where to march, where to reinforce, and where to stop wasting energy. Real results. I use this prompt to re-architect my entire content workflow in a single afternoon. It solved problems that had been dragging me down for months. And here's the part nobody expects. It also shows you opportunities you couldn't see before. Because when you're buried under tasks, opportunity hides behind exhaustion. Prompt number 2, the Content Explosion Machine. The prompt your competitors wish they had. Creators burn out because they try to think of everything manually. Stop doing that. This prompt generates weeks, even months of content at once. The prompt: you are my content director. Create a 30-day content strategy for YouTube, Instagram, Shorts, and community posts based on my niche. Each idea must include a hook, emotional angle, viewer takeaway, and a CTA that grows my channel. This transforms ChatGPT into an entire marketing department. You get hooks, titles, emotional angles, value payoffs, CTAs, posting schedules, cross-platform versions in minutes. Most creators don't fail because of lack of talent. They fail because they run out of ideas. With this prompt, you never run out again. Reality check. Every major creator you watch is using some version of this prompt. Nobody is sitting around thinking up 50 ideas a week. They're using systems. And now you have one too. This is how you stay consistent. This is how you grow when motivation disappears. This is how you produce content even on the days you don't feel creative. Prompt number 3, the customer concierge, your AI customer support team. Most solopreneurs spend too much time answering messages, emails, and DMs. This prompt handles everything. The prompt: you are my customer experience specialist. Write warm, professional replies to customer questions, complaints, and inquiries. Maintain a friendly, clear tone. Before writing, ask me for the details you need. You can feed it emails like, "Where is my order? What's your refund policy? How does your service work? Can you help me choose the right package?" ChatGPT turns into a fully trained support agent instantly. This saves hours, and hours lead to opportunity. Why this matters. Most creators lose momentum because they get stuck in the small things. AI frees you to focus on the big things. And here's the unexpected benefit. Your communication improves. Your professionalism increases. Your brand feels bigger, even if it's just you behind the curtain. This is how solopreneurs start looking like actual companies. Prompt number 4, the business automation blueprint, your AI operations manager. If you want your business to run like a machine, you need workflows. This prompt builds them. The prompt: you are my operations manager. Create automated workflows for each part of my business: content creation, scheduling, customer support, and product delivery. Clearly define steps, tools, templates, and time estimates. This is where ChatGPT goes from being helpful to being dangerous. You will get complete systems, step-by-step workflows, templates, checklists, automation suggestions, tool recommendations. ChatGPT literally tells you how to run your business without you. Real impact. This is how solopreneurs start operating like teams of 5, 10, or 20. Automation is the great equalizer. It erases the gap between small creator and real business. With workflows in place, consistency becomes automatic, and success rewards consistency. Prompt number 5, the AI employee. This one will blow your mind. This is the prompt that turns ChatGPT into a full-time virtual employee, not a chatbot, not an answer machine, a role-driven, autonomous worker. The prompt: you are now my executive AI assistant. Your responsibilities include organizing my tasks, rewriting my content, improving my writing, analyzing my decisions, suggesting optimizations, generating new opportunities, and keeping me accountable. Each morning, provide a prioritized task list, deadlines, and a motivational briefing. This is where AI stops being a tool and becomes infrastructure. When I say this changed everything for me, I mean everything. Suddenly, scripts were faster, thumbnails were clearer, titles were sharper, workflows were smoother, productivity doubled, and the stress gone. Because now I wasn't building alone. I had support, I had structure, I had clarity. This prompt alone is worth the entire episode. The prompt that fixes everything. Let's say you write a script and it feels off. You edit a video and it feels flat. You write an email and it feels weak. This prompt fixes it. The prompt: analyze this content and identify weaknesses, unclear ideas, flat emotional beats, or poor pacing. Rewrite these sections to be more engaging, powerful, and clear. This turns ChatGPT into your editor, your coach, your second brain, because second brains see what you miss. This is how you sharpen your work. This is how your storytelling improves. This is how creators become professionals. If you want to build something big, a business, a brand, a legacy, you cannot do it alone. But with AI, you don't have to. You now have a strategist, a marketer, a planner, a customer support agent, an operations manager, and a full-time assistant, all running inside one device. Use these prompts daily. Build with intention, grow with clarity, and stop trying to wear every hat when AI can wear half of them for you. If you enjoyed this episode, join, like, and subscribe. It helps this channel grow and reach more solopreneurs who need this information. And if you want the deeper strategies behind scaling, influence, and direct response marketing, check out my book, Direct Marketing. You Have to Reach Millions, available now on Amazon. This is Trapper's avatar with Grown Man Productions. You have to reach millions.
It's the rapper.